Today we're unboxing this teleprompter that just came in from Amazon, still sealed up in the box. So we're going to crack it open, check it out. The details of what that's called on the screen right now. Okay, as you can see there, it comes in a carry bag, this teleprompter, so I'm just going to carefully slide out the box so we can have a look at this. Nothing else in the box, so I'm going to get rid of the box. And then I'm going to maybe suggest that's the top, seeing the zip is there, so we're going to unzip it. It's nice that it comes in a carry case, because if you need portability for whatever reason, here we go. What we've got here is, prior to using the FEC B88, you will need to install a teleprompter application on your cell phone or tablet. Of course, it's going to sit in the tray part and reflect and do the whole teleprompter thing. And this is basically going to tell us how to put it all together. The first thing we've got is, I believe, the base. Now this base is interesting in that, the phone comes out. Now we've got to keep this phone because it's part of the carry case equipment. So that's the foam. There we go. That's a piece of foam under there. Pull that out, put that there. Okay, it's this little nut that's rolling around in this. I'm just going to pull that out. We don't want that dropping on the glass at all. Okay. So this is the reflective glass. When I first saw that, I thought, oh, maybe it's cracked, but then it's just got a plastic film on it, so we've got to pull that off at some point. So that is just a foam section that the glass was sitting on, so it's just to protect it. It sits in like that to protect the glass when it's being transported. Let's have a look. Shall we get rid of the bag? I think we shall. Now this isn't intended as a setup, but just to show you what's in the bag, in the box. But of course, so far we've seen the carry bag and the various bits of foam that hold it in place, and then now the teleprompter itself. Now there's some more foam in here. I don't know exactly how this comes out. No instructions on how to remove all the foam from the packaging, because obviously you need to be able to take that out and then obviously reuse it when you pack it back in the bag to transport. First of all, this is made up of a number of sections. You can see when I tip this up, this is the glass section, and it locks into place there. Okay, we mount the camera here. This base section loosens up and adjusts under here for the size of your tablet or phone. If I show you underneath, we've got a whole lot of mounting brackets to mount it to a tripod, so they can mount in any of these holes, so you can balance it to two different types of holes alternating. The bag goes around the camera lens as such, so it shoots out through the glass. So I'm out this direction doing my thing, reading off the teleprompter. Now I'm going to attempt to actually mount it where this camera is that I'm looking at right now, and then have that camera behind it, and then use the teleprompter as a teleprompter. That's what's in the box. That's how it comes in. I think the plus of this is the carry bag if you need to transport a teleprompter along the way. If you active in shooting in various places, that might come in handy. The other good thing about this is the cover there, so the camera goes inside, and that just cuts out any light reflection from your studio lights and such, from allowing the teleprompter to reflect adequately the teleprompter app, so that you can see it and read it and go along with it as you go.